How to redeem a code on Blizzard Battle.net account. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Blizzard or Battle.net account, and this is the home page as you can see. Now go here, click on my account and click on account settings, and right here you will find you have to log into your account like this. I'm gonna log in with my account and then wait a few seconds, and here you will find redeem a code. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope this video was kinda helpful for you, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.